So if you're thinking of moving to Clovis, California, and specifically you're looking to locate a beautiful home in the highly acclaimed Harlan Ranch development here in Clovis, stay to the end. It's Rufi Alday, your community ambassador for anything relocating to Clovis, California. Please comment below. Reach out before you even think of road tripping out here, especially if you're from the Bay Area, where we're finding over 30% of Bay Area residents are now moving to Clovis, California. Stay tuned to the end. We'll tell you why. And for now, we want to thank Ryan Davis for allowing us to showcase his listing here. We are at 3942 Harlan Ranch Boulevard. Stay tuned. Welcome. It is a gorgeous home. So this is an exceptionally clean 3-bedroom, 2-bath Harlan Ranch home, and I am with my colleague Brandy Ross in the house. Look up Brandy. She is hosting today, and anything real estate also, you want to connect with Brandy. She has a specialty dual black belt in jiu-jitsu. That's why we are feeling fairly safe at our open houses. We bring Brandy along, but nevertheless, this home is absolutely gorgeous. You'll notice the cathedral ceilings, the way that this home, it's just exceptionally clean. Turnkey. We've got laminate flooring throughout. Well insulated. It's 100 degrees out when I'm shooting this video, and it's absolutely energy efficient. So one of the actually 3 top features we love about this area and this particular home is that you have access to the Harlan Ranch clubhouse, where a lot of pictures, backdrops, weddings, graduations are set. It's very, very popular to showcase the property in that regard, as well as access to an Olympus-sized pool. It is literally just a block away for your convenience. So ideally, location, location, location. You have access to Harlan Ranch. Also, what we love about this house that both Brandy and I noticed is just the way it's laid out. For only 1,400, just shy of 1,500 square feet, it looks a lot more spacious than the 1,442 square feet that's presented on the MLS. You'll see again, the kitchen area is nice and spacious and looks out into the living area. So as you walk down the hallway, you'll notice access to the 3rd bedroom. Beautiful. And one of the great features of this particular home is access to our Serenity courtyard. Gorgeous. So we'll just step in. So just picture yourself on a cup of coffee, and it's actually 100 degrees out, literally, when I shoot this video. And just the way it's situated and blocking the afternoon sun, just picture yourself here in the mornings, enjoy it. Also, it's stubbed for your future barbecue grill, should you desire to have one here in the near future. And you'll appreciate just the way that the sun's setting at this time of this video. It allows you like these morning opportunities for serenity and a cup of coffee before you start your day. Again, we mentioned about what we love about this property. It is a block away from the Harlan Ranch Clubhouse, access to the Olympic pool. Also a benefit for living in this area is its close proximity and access to the nationally acclaimed Clovis Unified School District. Specifically, if you desire to have your child enrolled in Bud Rank, that is also in close proximity to this particular home. So one of the benefits of moving out here at Harlan Ranch community is access to the clubhouse behind me, and also the mature and vast landscape, lush, behind me. Absolutely beautiful. Also on the backdrop, you'll notice where beyond the scope of this playground, you'll see areas that are great vantage, great backdrops for weddings, graduations. Just an ideal location if you're a professional photographer. That is a backdrop utilized quite frequently here at Harlan Ranch. And so one of the areas I mentioned is in a great backdrop for weddings, graduation, is onto the back side of the clubhouse. You'll see this vast area. This particular spot is used quite frequently for, like I mentioned, backdrops for weddings, graduations. And as we stroll through this gorgeous landscape of olive trees, we've also seen many pictures and backdrops of this picnic area where you have access to barbecue grills and also a nice little backdrop for pictures. You'll see a theme: family, capturing memories. All of that is what attracts a lot of families here at Harlan Ranch. Just to show you its close proximity as well and why people select Harlan Ranch. As we mentioned, access to all the amenities, an Olympic-sized pool, picnic areas, playgrounds. Look how close we are, and its accessibility. Literally behind me is Bud Rank. So location, if convenience, access to all these amenities are important to you. Be involved in the Clovis Unified School District, and commute friendly. You are easy access onto the 168 and Shepherd Avenues. And so again, one of the great benefits here at Harlan Ranch is access to the community center, also to the Olympic-sized pool. It's packed today, it's over 100 degrees. So if anything here piques your interest, as we mentioned, if you desire a single story, Clovis Unified School District, having a home in this well-acclaimed community called Harlan Ranch, and easy access to Bud Rank, if that's a school that you desire your children to attend, please reach out to us, myself or Brandy. We'd be honored to provide you a private showing, and not only in this home, but any homes here at Harlan Ranch community. God bless.